Okay, today we'll be opening up and comparing this Mahle oil filter, number OC54, to this MANN oil filter, number W940-29. And I got these two oil filters from a very generous viewer who wants to remain anonymous. Thank you. These two filters fit his 1990 Porsche 911 964. Yep, the one with the 3.6 liter engine, which now has 120,000 miles. And these two filters, I gotta duke it out. Could get ugly, folks. And when the dust clears, we'll see who the winner is. So let's get started.
This is a network. You gotta glue the silicone, be nice and tight. Get your inner here, filtration everywhere here.
Let's start with this Mahle oil filter. And there's really not much information on this box. But right here it just says, made in China. And down here they got an address, Germany. Mahle aftermarket. And an address. So that's about all the information on this box. Okay, we got a date code right here, 11/11/22. And we got some instructions. Made in China. And this filter's got this plastic covering over it. There we go. And we got here 3, 6, 8 inlet holes. Metal core with holes. Bypass valve down below. It looks like about 5 grooves there for threads. And nitro rubber gasket. Okay, let's look at the MANN filter. The MANN filter, also not really much information. Porsche on this box, except for over here I seen MANN and Hummel, made in Germany. Okay, and that's about all the important information on this box. Okay, with this date code, we gotta look at it with a UV light. If you can see that. 15/03/23. So, being made in Germany, that's probably March 15th, 2023. And right here it says made in Germany. Also some instructions. And this filter has 4 inlet holes. Metal core with holes. Bypass valve down below. And 4 grooves there for threads. Nitro rubber gasket. So these base plates look totally different. Say the gaskets stick out about the same. And the MANN filter looks to be about ½ inch taller, 3/8 of an inch taller. Okay, let's open these two filters up and see what's inside them. Be right back. Okay, here they are cut open. Let's get their weights. The Mahle filter weighs 527.2 grams. The MANN filter weighs 517 grams even. Okay, let's take a look at the gaskets. And I'll put the thickness up on the screen. They're both pretty much the same. Now there it goes, focused in. Both pretty much the same thickness. I'd give those a tie. Nice gaskets. Base plates. The Mahle, 211.3 grams. MANN filter, 197.4 grams. Let's take a look at these guys up close. And the Mahle filter has this little rubber piece here. Keep it nice and tight. This one doesn't have it, so this one's going metal on metal. Where you got this, on the end caps. So, yeah, look at the grooves there. You got extra groove. Yeah, looks like an extra groove on the Mahle filter. And you got more inlet holes, but you got a slightly larger hole on the MANN filter. Okay, and there's no anti-drain back valves on these filters. Okay, let's check out the Mahle. 161.4 grams. 141.8 grams for the MANN filter. Okay, let's take a look at these filters. You got a metal crimp seam, Metal end caps, bypass valve right here. I should check that out. Oops. Yeah, it's kind of tight. Nice and clean though. These filters are nice and clean, both of them. No excess glue. And the pleats are nicely spaced on this one. And this filter has 68 pleats. Nice deep pleats. Unfortunately, I don't have a micron rating or what this filter is made out of. I would guess it's some kind of blend. But this looks nice. Okay, and the MANN filter, metal crimp seam. And this filter has one more pleat, 69 pleats. Metal end caps, nice and clean also. Bypass valve right here, also nice and tight. It's probably got a high setting there. And deep pleats, these look even deeper. They look thinner though. Look thinner, so I wonder how they'll look under a microscope. But like on the other filter, this is all clean. No micron rating or what this is made out of. Okay, and the cans. Well, let's look at these guys. We got a coil spring for the Mahle filter and a leaf spring for the MANN filter. It's a pretty heavy duty leaf spring. Okay, the cans, these are thick cans. Mahle, 138.3 grams. The MANN filter, 157.4 grams. And the MANN filter is a little bit taller, so it weighs a little more. And I'll put the thickness up on the screen of these cans. Okay, let's get the width of these guys. It's the Mahle. 4.34 inches wide minus a tenth of an inch. And the MANN filter, 4.56 inches wide minus a tenth of an inch. Okay, I'm gonna say the MANN filter is gonna have more filter media. What do you guys think? All right, I'm gonna cut these open, stretch them out, and let's see what they look like. Be right back. Okay, so here are both filters stretched out, and they both go over my table. The Mahle filter is 89 inches long, and the MANN filter is 106 inches long. Okay, let's get the thickness on this filter media. Mahle filter, 0.90 millimeters thick. The MANN filter, 0.78 millimeters thick. Quite a bit thinner. This is the filtering side, back side. Yeah, and this MANN filter is quite a bit thinner. And actually, we look under a microscope of these two filter medias, we'll see that the MANN filter's got a lot of light spots in it. So I'd say the Mahle filter would do a better job of filtering. So let's take a look at that picture. So looking under the microscope, I'd say the Mahle does a better job of filtering. But you get about 95 more square inches of filter media with the MANN filter. And let's take a look at the rest of the filter. So the gaskets, I'd give them a tie. I prefer coil spring over the leaf springs. The base plate, you got more grooves on the Mahle, more inlet holes. Yeah, I'd give that to the Mahle. They both got holes in the center core, except for The Mahle filter has rough holes right here, but it has these ridges. So, you know, it won't touch. It won't touch when it's going like this. Gotta point that out. And these are nice smooth holes. There's a seam right here. And the cans are pretty much tie also, as far as thickness goes. So between these two, I think I'd go with the Mahle oil filter. What do you guys think? And again, I want to thank the anonymous viewer who sent me these 2 oil filters. And I think I'll wrap this video up. And don't forget, Oil Filter Fridays. I try to open up an oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching and take care. The Mahle filter media weighs 52.1 gram. The MANN filter media weighs 36.8 grams.